Imagine the possibilities!
What the heck is you doing now?
Respect my pronouns!
What? Where am I? What? I got no hands.
Welcome to the amazing digital circus!
What?
Huh?
Who are you? How do I live?
Oh, don't worry, but nobody can
Are you
leave.
kidding?
Hey!
Hey, welcome!
What? What are you all? I wanna leave now! Damn it! I wanna leave!
Can't just
No.
plan it.
Tell me how to live.
Sorry, but nobody can.
Are you kidding, right? This is just a nightmare. Come on.
That's much.
Buddy, please,
Why?
stop trying. You'll get hurt. Come, let's play.
Play? Do you think I'm...
And now, Bobney.
I cannot take this.
Hey, Bonnie, calm down for once, huh? What happened to you? Have to get going. There will be problems around here.
Someone tell me where's the exit?
Damn it! She's about to abstract. I have to sneak.
I think I heard something around here. Who's hiding over there?
What happened to her? Why did this happen to Bonnie? If everything was fine this morning, we all had an adventure together and we were eating.
Caught all the things. It's truly amazing.
Yeah, but you look alone.
Dropped. Shut up once and for all. I am done with this. I have to find the exit now.
Well, she finally went crazy.
This is not happening. It should be an escape. There must be a way. I looked for a way out for so long, and there's so many doors. I didn't find anything. That can only mean. That I am trapped in here forever.
Hey, Bonnie, don't you wanna... Huh?
And
Bonnie?
there's no way out.
What is happening to you?
Oh, whoa! Is that what I think it is? It's finally happening! One by one, we will fall! One by one! We are going to fall!
Is this what I think? Why didn't you help me? I'm done with this. Oh no! Bobby's obstructing! Bobby, not you!
Jesus flipping Christ, Bobney! This cannot be! Hey, Bobney, don't you wanna play some games? A new adventures, because there are always adventures. Holy moly! Whoa! Now you have a new skin. I think we can start playing now. Oh shit, my dentures!
Oh no, King! You'll pay for what you've done! You'll pay for this! That was easy. Who's next?
Bobby got abstracted. But guys, take a good look at her. She's not completely corrupted yet. You can see it. that she fights not to get abstracted. I think we can save her with the power. Ouch! Yes, we can still save her.